What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Senor Cow, coming at you with another online learning opportunity. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss another notification. Alright, I did the meme intro. Okay. Hola, clase. ¿Cómo están? Excelente. Alright, so a few things to cover before we get started. First of all, number one, today, Tuesday, is the last day of school for you guys. Your teachers are going to have one extra day on Wednesday, kind of like a teacher work day kind of thing. Which means, given the weeks off of school plus spring break, we will not see each other until April 14th. That is a couple days shy of a month, which is crazy. But no worries, I'll be here every weekday on my YouTube channel for you guys. Second of all, here's how grades are going to work. After a lot of thinking about it, first of all, as you know, test grades are 75% of your grade. You've done one test, and I'm going to put that in when it's graded. No rush on that, of course, but I'll get it graded really soon. Second of all, so anyway, any other test grades we are going to do when we get back from whatever this is, right? If it ends up being extended, we'll figure something out, but it's just a lot less messy to do it that way. So test grades we'll do in class. However, before then, what you can do is whenever I give you an assignment, I'm going to make sure to let you know you need to hold on to that, because that's going to be something that I will collect when we're all back at school. It might be 10 things, it might be 15 things, and for each one of you, I'll kind of collect that like a packet and go through, and those will count like quiz grades. Okay? I'll try to do something to get some grades in the book before then. I'm sure I can figure something out. So, but until then, just, keep all the stuff that you get. If I say it's a worksheet or something, if I say it's important, just hold on to it, and I will collect those all when we get back. Now, it's time for the Cowie Award. This is the Cowie Award. I'll be presenting it every day to someone who left a really good comment in the last video. And the last one, the comment that I liked the best was from Bella Voss, and she said, "This video was amazing. I love the cow with the hat at the beginning, and the video is informative. Bella, this is for you. You get today's Cowie Award." Okay, so that was the Cowie. We're going to put him over here. Okay. Alright, so now it's time for class. So welcome everyone to cyberspace in the Coward Cave. So first of all, let's do our warm-up. So here it is. Oh wait, sorry, I gotta do the, we gotta do the weird, okay, we're over it. Okay, so we're going to do the warm-up, and it is here. Alright, so this says conjugate in present tense, and as you know, a good number of these are stem changers. So this is your chance. So like number one is going to be I boil, number two is going to be we stir, and things like that. Okay, so go ahead and get ready, get out your paper, saquen papel, and pause the video now. Alright, and we're back. Alright, let's see how we did. Alright, first one, it is yo hiervo. Yo hiervo. Number two, nosotros batimos. Número tres, Juan, you could say pone or vierte. Again, you could say like, the first one, pone would be like he puts gravy, and the vierte would be like he pours gravy. Alright, número cuatro, mis amigos cortan el pan. That's an easy one. Two, mides. Again, remember, that's the stem changer. And Teresa añade, from añadir. Okay, and again, there they are if you need to have a better look at them all together. Okay, now going back to the other cam. Oh gosh, hold on, this is worse. Whew, okay, we're back. Alright, now it's time for our TPR gestures again. We're going to do them at least one more time today. Alright, repita en clase. Añadir, cortar, batir, medir, alright, sorry, poner, verter, freír, hervir, hornear, mezclar. There, I got almost all of them without looking. That's pretty good. Okay, so now, like yesterday, all right, we're going into the vortex. Hold on. Ah! Okay, so now let's look at your PowerPoint like we did before. All right, so again, you try to say it before I do. First one. Añadir, cortar, batir, poner or verter. This is measure. Medir, freír, hervir, hornear, and mezclar. Muy bien. All right, so our ingredients again, this one is la sal, la pimienta, or pimienta negra, la harina, el vinagre, el aceite, la canela, el azúcar, la mantequilla, el ajo, la cebolla, el limón, la lechuga, el tomate, las verduras o los vegetales, la zanahoria, la taza, la cucharada. A little way you can remember this is this end of the spoon is about the size of a cockroach. And what's cockroach? La cucaracha. El sartén. La olla. Oh yeah, we're having chili. El cuenco or el tazón. El plato. La receta. Buen provecho. Qué rico. Qué asco. Rico, sabroso, delicioso. And which one did I say is more likely for a native speaker to say? Rico. Everything is rico. Sabor. Dulce. Agrio. Amargo. Picante. Salado. Con, sin, and de. Those are all really good words to order things with. Very simple to use. Not too much application there. Okay. Now, let's do... Alright, so I'm going to give you time to finish your worksheet. And it looks like this. Remember, it's on the back of your vocabulary. So this is going to be one of those things I want you to finish and turn into me when we come back. Okay, I explained it in the last video, how to do each section. Nothing too deep. Just remember to conjugate your verbs. Say things like mido and hierven and things like that. And you should be fine. Okay, so that is that. So make sure to finish that on your own time. And then we will go over that later. Okay. Now let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and show you the video from your textbook. So this was actually not too bad. Just keep in mind, one word you'll see is mostaza. Mostaza is mustard. We didn't cover that. And also, oh, sorry, I'm drinking water. I'm so thirsty. The kids in this video are from Spain. So, for example, instead of dulce, they're going to say dulce. and stuff like that. Instead of delicioso, they would say delicioso. That's an extremely Spanish Spain accent. So keep that in mind. Like I said, the mustard is pretty brown, and they're going to have a Spanish accent. So I'm going to go ahead and play this now. We'll watch it together.
Hola, me llamo Beatriz y este es mi mejor amigo,
José Luis.
Tenemos hambre, pero es muy tarde para comer.
Y demasiado temprano para cenar.
Entonces estoy preparando una merienda aquí, en la cocina del restaurante de mi tío Vicente.
¿Estás cocinando? ¿Qué estás haciendo?
¿Ves? Estoy hirviendo unas zanahorias. Y ahora frío el ajo y la cebolla en el aceite. Aquí tengo la mostaza
Mustard we were talking about.
y el vinagre. Y primero los mezclo. Ahora añado la sal y la pimienta. Después bato unos huevos y añado las espinacas.
¿Pero qué estás cocinando? Esta es tu receta. Parece que estás mezclando 3 recetas en una.
Es una sorpresa.
Tengo que probarlo.
Sí, sí. ¿Te gusta probarlo todo, no? Conozco un juego divertido. Yo pongo un ingrediente en el pan y tú dices qué sabor tiene.
Vale.
Cierra los ojos. ¿Qué sabor tiene?
So he's going to try to guess the ingredients she's putting on the bread.
Bueno. Está salado. Pusiste sal.
Muy bien. Ahora, este.
Está dulce. Pusiste azúcar. Está delicioso. Está agrio. Es limón.
Muy bien. Ahora, este.
Está demasiado caliente.
Perdón. ¿Picante? ¡Qué asco!
All right, so there you go. So that's the scene Now on each one, you'll notice he was saying está salado, está agrio, because he was describing the taste of that particular one. Okay, so let's do this real quick, just so we can get some practice with the stem changers here. Just put it on the old classic Times New Roman, crank it up. Alright, so first one, let's do this just to give everybody a good look at all of them. Oh, sorry. Alright, so here's añadir. The yo form is añado. The command, añade. Okay, next one is cortar. Another completely regular one, yo corto. And if you want to tell your friend to cut something, you say corta as a command. Next one is batir, also normal. Bato is I stir, and then to tell him to stir, bate. Poner and verter. Alright, so poner is yo pongo, and to make it a command, you already know it is pon. And verter is yo vierto, and to command vierto, and to command someone to do it, you say vierte. Okay, next is medir. Yo mido, I measure. To tell someone measure, mide. Next one is freír. This one's crazy because it's got the accent mark. Freír, so it's yo frío, which I know looks like cold. And to tell someone to fry something is fríe. Next one is hervir. Yo hiervo, I boil. Versus to tell someone boil the water, you say hierve el agua. Hornear is to bake. It's just completely normal. Horneo versus hornea to tell someone bake. And finally mezclar. Yo mezclo. And then to tell someone mix is mezcla. Okay, mezclo, mezcla. So there you go. That's how to do the yo and the command for each one of those, just to kind of get you used to the stem changing aspect of those. Okay, so really we're just going to do one more thing. I'm going to pull up the activities in the book. So we're going to look at 1 and 2. I'm going to let y'all do, and number 3 we'll do together. And after that, we'll be done for today. Alright, so here's the first one. It says, identifica las comidas o los ingredientes que corresponden a las descripciones. So basically, you have a word bank over here. You know that what zanahorias is, that's in your vocab. Espinacas, you might be able to guess, says spinach. Limón is lemon. Fresas is strawberries. And y'all know the rest except for mostaza, we talked about earlier, is mustard. Okay, so espinacas, spinach, fresas, strawberries, and mostaza is mustard. Okay, so I'm going to give you all a minute. Basically, it's giving you a description, and you have to pick which one it's describing. For example, it says, es de color amarillo. What does that say? It says it is of the color yellow. Basically, it's yellow. So this person chose 2 things, limón and mostaza, both of which are yellow. Okay, so let's do one together. It says, es un ingrediente en los postres. It is an ingredient in desserts. So, if we look at our choice, there's actually a few things that could work. Like, of course, there are plenty of desserts that have lemon and strawberry, even carrot cake, right? But the obvious one it's probably going for is azúcar, sugar. Okay, so I would say sugar is in most desserts. So pause your video here and give this a try. We'll go ahead and do 2 through 8. Pause now. All right, so let's go over it. All right, number 1 says, las puedes comer calientes o frías. You can eat them hot or cold. So I would say zanahorias. I suppose, I mean, cold carrots aren't really big. I would say No, it would be zanahorias, and maybe even espinacas, because you'll notice it says frias. That's a giveaway that it's something feminine or plural, like espinacas. All right, son frutas. So let's find the fruits here. Limón, fresas, son de color verde. There's your key word, verde. So it could be espinacas, spinach. It could be lechuga, lettuce. Okay. Tienen sabor dulce, has a sweet flavor. So that could be fresas are sweet. And there you go. Because it says they have a sweet flavor, it has to be fresas. If you put azúcar, of course, that's not bad. Alright, tienen sabor agrio. Sour, of course, the obvious choice is going to be lemon. Puede ser picante, which means it can be spicy. If you know a lot about different mustards, that's definitely mostaza. There are definitely some very spicy mustards out there. The American yellow mustard is fairly mild. It's more tangy. And the last one es rica en sándwiches. So this one most likely is going to be lechuga, because it does say rica. And there you go. And of course vinegar. Some people put vinegar on sandwiches, like on a sub sandwich. Okay. Alright, now let's go to the next one. So basically this is one, if it's like true or false. Lógico or ilógico. Is it logical? So if there's something wrong with it, you have to correct it and make it something correct. For example, this says, freímos la lechuga. We fry lettuce. No one fries lettuce, or you shouldn't, not really. So you say, no es lógico, and then you replace it with something better, like, freímos la cebolla. We fry onion. That's something you could fry. Okay, so here, read each one, and either say lógico, and if it's not lógico, if it's not logical, correct it. Change something about it. Okay? And pause the video now. Alright, let's see how you did. Alright, las fresas con azúcar tienen sabor picante. Strawberries with sugar have a spicy flavor. So we would take out picante and change it to dulce. That is sweet all day long, right? Comemos la merienda por la tarde. What this says, I didn't give you all the word merienda, it means snack. We eat a snack in the afternoon. Lógico, nothing wrong with that. Hervimos las zanahorias en vinagre caliente. We boil carrots in hot vinegar. Ugh, gross. So instead of vinagre, what's something better to boil it in? Agua. Alright, boil it in water, not vinegar. Oh my god. Alright, número 4. Compramos los ingredientes para la receta en el supermercado. That one's fine. We buy the ingredients for the recipe at the supermarket. Desayunamos por la noche. We have breakfast at night. Now you can have breakfast food at night, but that's still going to be dinner. So you would actually say cenamos. C-E-N-A-M-O-S. Cenamos, we have dinner at night. Or evening, you could say. And the last one, mezclamos la mostaza con el vinagre para tener un sabor dulce. We mix mustard and vinegar to have a sweet taste. I would say not. I think that would be agrio. That would be pretty sour. I'm trying to eat vinegar and mustard. Oh, that turns my stomach. Let's talk about something else. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and do this since we're here. All right, we'll do this together. Basically, I'll be your partner, and I'm gonna ask you if you like these two things together. And all you have to say, just say it out loud, is qué rico, which is how delicious, or qué asco, how gross. Okay? All right, repita en clase. Qué rico. Qué asco. And there you go. All right, so, el helado con ajo. Helado con ajo. Qué rico o qué asco. Qué asco. Ice cream and garlic? Ugh. No, thank you. La sopa con zanahorias. ¿Te gusta la sopa con zanahorias? Soup with carrots, I would say, que rico. Why not? You toss some carrots in. Alright, now this one may be a personal thing. ¿Te gusta la pizza con mayonesa? Most people would probably say, que asco. Ugh. No. Pizza and mayonnaise? But if you like that sort of thing, que rico. I know I enjoy heavy foods. Alright, next one. Los huevos con pimienta. Que rico o que asco? Que rico. Eggs are good with pepper. Not paper. Alright, número 5. Las papas fritas con azúcar. Que asco. Unless they were sweet potato fries, in which case they're pretty good with sugar. But if they're just regular old potatoes, I would say que asco. You would say papas fritas con sal would be even better. And finally, la ensalada con aceite y vinagre. ¿Te gusta? Sí, que rico. Salad with oil and vinegar is very, very common. Okay, so now the only thing that's left to do is to have some time on Quizlet, which is always good to sit down and do that for a little bit every day. And I want to remind you, let me kick it back to me for a minute. Hola, I'm back. Okay, so I do want to remind you to use the time, because we didn't have a long lesson today, but use the other time to finish that worksheet, because I will collect it, okay? 100%. I will take that up whenever we come back. Alright, so, yeah, take it easy. Oh, I forgot, when I awarded the Cowie Award, I have a sound effect ready, so here we go, watch this. Congrats, Bella. It's all about you. Okay, so anyway, on a final note, like I said, no school after today for quite a while, but you will see my beautiful face every day. Look forward to it. Don't forget to ring the bell, leave those comments, see if you can win the Cowie next time, and don't let the virus scare you. I know it's kind of a weird thing. Everything's all wacky right now, but it's all good. We're going to be fine. And I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.